Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Elementor kit library. This powerful feature provides a vast collection of professionally designed website kits, offering a complete foundation for your site. Each kit includes global styles, page layouts, and theme builder parts, ensuring a cohesive look from the start. It's an incredible time saver, allowing you to launch a stunning website in a fraction of the time it would take to build from scratch. To begin, access the kit library directly from your WordPress dashboard. Once inside, you'll discover a wide array of kits, each designed for different niches and aesthetics. Take your time to explore the options. When you find a kit that perfectly suits your vision, simply click the Apply Kit button. This action imports all the kit's elements, including its global styles, pages, and theme builder parts, into your website. After importing your chosen kit, the next exciting step is personalization. Head over to Elementor's site settings to fine-tune global colors, typography, and button styles, ensuring your brand's unique voice shines through. You can also easily edit the header and footer templates to reflect your specific needs. Remember to replace all the demo content with your own compelling text, high-quality images, and engaging videos to make the site truly yours. Beyond full kits, you can also leverage individual templates from the library. This allows you to pick and choose specific pages or blocks, like a contact form or an About Us section, and integrate them into your existing designs. Simply drag and drop these elements onto your page. Furthermore, any custom layouts you create can be saved as new templates, making them readily available for future projects and enhancing your workflow efficiency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.